Ladies and gentlemen, humanity has officially reached the point where we can build a multi-billion-dollar palace floating above Earth, and we can't find a leak. Not a metaphorical leak, not a scandal, not a whistleblower, an actual, physical AIR leak. Today's episode is called The Space Station Leak Nobody Could Find. And nothing has ever summarized human intelligence better. The most expensive apartment ever. Let's start with perspective. The space station costs over $100 billion. That's not luxury condo money. That's entire country budget money. It's assembled piece by piece by astronauts in space while wearing diapers. Every bolt is calculated. Every seal is tested. Every panel is checked. And still, somewhere in that cosmic IKEA nightmare, air is escaping. When the alarm goes off, you know that sound, that soft, polite alarm. Not, you are about to die, but, hey, just checking, we might be dying. Mission control. Okay, everyone, remain calm. That's never comforting. If someone says, remain calm, you were never calm to begin with. Space leak, psych, bad. Let me explain something for anyone new to physics. Space has no air, no pressure, no forgiveness. A leak in space is not like a leaky faucet. You don't put a bucket under it, you don't call maintenance. You either fix it, or space fixes you. The search begins. So what do the smartest humans on Earth do? They start looking, which sounds simple, until you realize the space station is bigger than a football field, full of wires, panels, hatches, hidden compartments. Basically a haunted house for engineers. Astronaut floating like, is it here? No. Here? No. Here? I hear something. How do you find a leak in space? They tried everything. Sensors, pressure readings, listening devices. At one point, they literally used smoke. Yes, smoke in space. Because when all else fails, we go back to caveman science. Follow the smoke. The duct tape moment. And you know this story ends with duct tape, because duct tape has been holding civilization together since 1943. There's a reason duct tape is standard space equipment, not because it's elegant, but because it works. Aliens watching like, so you mastered orbital mechanics, but still rely on sticky cloth? Yes we do. The panic. Meanwhile, Earth is watching. Scientists on TV, there is no immediate danger. That sentence always means, there is danger, just not yet. Families watching like, so are they okay? NASA. Define okay. Astronaut POV. Imagine being the astronaut. You trained your whole life. You survived launch. You survived re-entry. You survived space food. And now you might die because of a mystery hiss. Not a meteor. Not aliens. A whistle. That's embarrassing. The leak plays hide and seek. Here's the worst part. They'd patch one spot. Pressure stabilizes. Everyone celebrates. Then another alarm. Leak. Miss me? This leak was personal. This leak had beef. The internet reacts. The internet had opinion. One guy. It's fake. Another. It's sabotage. Another. I could find it. Sir, you can't find your charger. Conspiracy mode. People said it's alien. Aliens again. Aliens always get blamed when humans mess up. Aliens are like, we didn't touch that. That's a you problem. Why this is peak humanity. This is peak humanity. We can split atoms, edit genes, send robots to Mars, but put us in a floating house and we're like, where's that noise coming from? The real heroes. Let's give credit where it's due. Astronauts stayed calm. Engineers worked nonstop. Nobody panicked. That alone deserves applause. Because if this was a group chat, someone would have rage quit immediately. The fix. Eventually, and after days, they find it. A tiny crack, a microscopic flaw, something smaller than your patience. All that drama for that. The lesson. And here's the lesson. Perfection doesn't exist, even in space, even with billions, even with geniuses. Stuff breaks, air leaks, humans improvise. Final rant people ask, should we be worried? No, this is normal. If anything, it proves space stations are run exactly like apartments on Earth. There's always a weird noise, a mystery smell, and someone saying, it's probably nothing. So the next time you hear, the space station has a leak, don't panic. Just remember, humanity built something incredible and fixed it with teamwork, science, and probably duct tape. Subscribe for more cosmic chaos, because if we can survive this, we'll survive anything.